To draw the triple bubble, you start with a small circle, then a large circle, and another large circle. Those two large circles are encased in another circle. Then we draw an angle with a number sign. We draw an E, a P, and an N. On the E, we emphasize that line there. On the P, we draw a plus sign. On the N, we draw a circle. Then we draw a plus sign and an equal sign, the word mass, and then underneath, the word nucleus. All of this will help you understand the different parts of an atom. The reason why we have the line here on the E is because electrons are negative. The reason why we have the plus sign on the P is because protons are positive. The reason why we have a 0 on the N is because neutrons are neutral. Both the protons and the neutrons are located in the nucleus, which is why both of those are located in the circle. Protons and neutrons are in the nucleus. Also, looking at this information, you can see that there is a number sign here, and that is because protons and electrons will always have the same number. You can look at the atomic number to find out how many electrons there are, and you can look at the atomic number to know how many protons there are. The last part of this is finding out how many neutrons there are. While looking at this information, you could take the protons plus the neutrons, and that'll equal the mass. If you don't have the neutrons, you only have the atomic number, then you take the total mass and you subtract the protons. And that'll show you how many neutrons are left. This works because protons and neutrons have the same mass. That is why they are drawn the same size. Protons and neutrons have the same mass. The electrons are located in the electron cloud, so they're outside the nucleus. Protons and neutrons have the same mass. Again, going over the purpose of the triple bubble is to help us understand the different parts of an atom and what they mean. Protons are positive, neutrons are neutral, electrons are negative. Protons and neutrons are located in the nucleus. When you take this number here, it means that protons and electrons will have the same number, and we can see that in the atomic number. When you take the mass and you subtract the protons, it leaves you with how many neutrons there are, because when you add protons plus the neutrons, that equals the mass. Protons and neutrons have the same mass, that's why they're both the same size. Electrons have less mass, they're lighter. Hopefully that'll help you understand atoms and their structure. Thank you.